Beautiful. Underline. Here we have my mint condition 1997 Toyota 4Runner. It's got the legendary 3.4. Just an exceptional engine. It makes much horsepower right now. Very much amount of horsepower. So we're putting on a Toyota Supercharger, factory Toyota Supercharger. And we got that getting rebuilt in the garage right now. You know, we'll kind of get it all dialed in, but right now I want to get some octane booster in it because we're running 87. We need to have 93, so I've got some turbo 108, $6.
All right, turbo 108 going in.
We're only putting this in because they did pay us to put this in here as a sponsor. So
it is sponsored. We don't get paid much off YouTube, but
we don't.
In order for us to keep making these quality videos.
Forced to drive a absolute POS that has a wrinkled up back end on it, broken light. Can't afford that. Can't afford anything.
We do have a little scoop intake though off the cab here. Keeps everything ventilated. All right, time for the big old blower to go on top. Got a big old carbon fiber hat that's gonna sit out of the hood.
Okay, can I start it? Yeah.
Start it up. Start it up. Start it up. Start it up.
Okay, here we go. It's on there.
Wait, we're not.
Clearing the bugs out. I only had a couple bolts left over. We'll save those for the next rebuild. All right, mounting up the boost gauge. So we're only going to use one hole though for the 4 mounting spots. What's the point of using all of them? See right here, kind of the same idea. What's the point of using all the mounting pieces? We just have
they're broken because this switch fails a lot, and I got to pull her out. Easy access. I can pull it out, wiggle the connections, and get the windows working again. I mean, why they should have done it like that from the factory. Oh, beautiful!
Look at that OEM. Talk about an OEM fit.
That's not going anywhere.
Our little red line start maybe. It should be warm.
Yeah, it should be warm. Whoa! Whoa!
Look up alive there. We did an air filter delete. A little louder now.
It sounds better. I don't really know why those came in there. They quiet down.
Baby. It's eating. See if you can do one. Oh, you got it.
60, you ready?
Yep. Alright, 0 to 60 time with the Supercharger.
It's a basic Toyota. We're gonna change that.
Good thing we got the kid with the dyslexia.
Worst handwriting.
You better spell it right.
Oh my goodness.
I think it's one word.
No one be scared to roast him in the comments for this either.
Beautiful. Underline.
Let me do some flames.
And then, yeah, do some flames. We're gonna.
Sick.
There we go. So it's supercharged. Yeah.
All right, here we go. We're gonna try to remake the OEM TRD logo onto the now supercharged
Limited
4runner. So again, we have the best handwriting possible.
It's already wrong.
Bubbly enough.
Nice. So proud of you.
Oh, the thickness in the walls here is not equal.
It's just sound.
Nice.
All
right, after swapping it out, did a whole day of testing. We're not super thrilled with the outcomes. Kind of what we expected.
It makes cool noises. It's a cool concept, but in reality, I mean, most people aren't flooring their vehicle everywhere to begin with. So if those guys who don't have a turbo or a supercharger and you'd like to go a little faster, just press the gas pedal a little harder, because that's about the same result you'll get.
Well, I mean, we could put the filter in.
I guess I'll put this back in.
Yeah. And just to let you know, we did do all those dirt burnouts without the filter. Yeah.
It was good to kind of break in the supercharger. After you rebuild them, the bearings, the tolerances are really tight. It's good to get a little sand, a little grit in there and loosen it up.
Yeah.
That way there's less kinetic friction.
Red light.
Here, found a little race for us. Couple dumb
performances.
dumb genies.